How to fix Tumblr? There was an error processing your request. Hello friends, the error mostly occurs due to server-side issue. Tumblr server are likely to experience a temporary outage when this error occurs. Also, there could be an internal bug, misconfiguration, or the service may be faulty. The full error message is, there was an error processing your request. Our engineers have been alerted and will work quickly to correct any issues. See what you can do to fix this error. You can refresh your page time and again and wait if the error is fixed. You can also use Ctrl+R on your keyboard to refresh the page. Apart from this, you can check Tumblr status on Google. You can see it on this website. Is it down right now? Whether the server is live or not. Try a different web browser. Launch a different web browser. I am opening Firefox. Here go to Tumblr. See if the issue is fixed. The next method you can use is clear browser cache and cookies. To clear cache and cookies on Google Chrome, click on three dots. Select delete browsing data. Select all time. Here check cookies and other site data and cached image and files. Click on delete data. Then reload the website. You may need to log in again. And see if it works. If the method doesn't work, log out and log in onto the site. Click on account. Click on logout. OK. Then log in. And check if it works. If you are anxious about whether your account is banned, then don't worry. The account is not banned. It will be working when the server will be live. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.